Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have two drones that are sure to take your aerial photography and videography to new heights. In this corner, we have the Bwine F7GB2 drones, and in the other corner, we have the DJI Mini 2 SE. Let's dive in and compare these two amazing drones in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come in at $619, while the DJI Mini 2 SE is priced at $339. It's clear that the DJI Mini 2 SE offers a more affordable option without compromising on features. If you're on a budget, the Mini 2 SE might be the way to go. Now let's talk about the camera capabilities. The Bwine F7GB2 drones boast a 4K camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens and a 120 degrees FOV lens. This allows you to capture stunning videos and photos at up to 3840 by 2160 resolution. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE also offers impressive imaging capabilities, with easy-to-use shooting templates and the ability to generate professional-level videos. While the Bwine F7GB2 drones provide more advanced camera features, the DJI Mini 2 SE's simplicity and beginner-friendly interface make it a great option for those just starting out in aerial photography. Flight time is an important factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come with two intelligent batteries that provide a total flight time of up to 50 minutes. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers a maximum flight time of 31 minutes. But the combo package includes two additional intelligent flight batteries, giving you a total flight time of up to 93 minutes. If you're looking for longer flights, the DJI Mini 2 SE with the combo package might be the better choice. Wind resistance is crucial for stable and reliable flights. The Bwine F7GB2 drones are equipped with low-noise brushless motors and boast a level 6 wind resistance. This means you can fly in windier conditions without compromising the stability of your shots. The DJI Mini 2 SE, on the other hand, has a wind resistance of up to 38 km per hour, level 5. While it may not be as high as the Bwine F7GB2 drones, it still offers reliable stability in most weather conditions. Let's talk about video transmission range now. The Bwine F7GB2 drones have an impressive extended video transmission range of up to 3 km, 9,800 feet, providing you with crisp images and smooth video even at a distance. The DJI Mini 2 SE, on the other hand, offers a maximum transmission range of 10 km, thanks to its DJI OcuSync technology. This allows you to fly farther and capture more stunning footage. Lastly, let's discuss some additional features that make these drones stand out. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come with intelligent GPS-assisted features, including GPS auto-return, follow me, and waypoints. These features ensure that you can easily navigate and control your drone with ease. The DJI Mini 2 SE also offers a return-to-home function for added safety, making it perfect for beginners. It's lightweight and portable, weighing less than 249 grams, which means you can take it on all your adventures. Based on online reviews, the Bwine F7GB2 drones are highly praised for their advanced camera capabilities and long flight time. However, some reviewers mentioned issues with Wi-Fi connectivity. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is recommended for beginners and offers a more affordable option. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity, stable flight, and excellent customer service. And there you have it, a comprehensive comparison between the Bwine F7GB2 drones and the DJI Mini 2 SE. While the Bwine F7GB2 drones offer advanced camera capabilities and a longer flight time, the DJI Mini 2 SE provides a more affordable option, beginner-friendly features, and an extended transmission range. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a smart buying decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.